Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the daily trader. It is March 1st, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Tesla is maintaining itself pretty well today, so we closed at 864.37. We are down $6.06. That's 0.7%. Post-market down $1.37. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we had broken yesterday two resistance at 857 and 879. We stayed above these two resistance. That is very nice. We could not break 879. We still have 879 and 894 to go, so we could not break 879 today. We broke it during the day, but then we came back down. But in terms of this move today, like I said, I guess on Palantir, we have a small pullback today compared to yesterday. And this pullback is pretty nice because we pulled back maybe a third of the way. So this is looking quite good. Let's go see the 1 hour chart just for fun. Nice first hour where we closed above 879 on the first hour. Then we came down second hour and basically stayed sideways. Going back to the daily chart, our indicators. Now today we have a stochastic at 66. This is one of our requirements. We like to have stochastic at 60 at least to show us that the move that we are seeing is a significant move. So we are having that here. We had that also yesterday. It's still good. We still need to break 879, 894. So these are very important resistance that were used as support around January. So we still need to break that. In terms of MACD, so we are seeing MACD coming around. So this is nice. This is the daily chart, and the daily chart is the chart that is starting to show nice moves. We can get some trades on the 1 hour chart and everything. But in terms of the delta in the stock prices that we can see within this short period of time, this is pretty low. But when we are starting to see the indicators turn around like this on the daily chart, then it is telling us that things might be starting to move soon. So this is very exciting. There's always the possibility that we have a bad event, bad news that jeopardizes everything. But right now, with the current environment and the current news that we are getting, we see a progression in the stock price. So this is nice to see. In terms of RSI, close to 50 at 46. And DMI, it's not so bad on the difference between the two. That once the green line is going to go over the red line, this is going to be an indication that we can buy the stock. In summary, nice staying power for Tesla. I hope that we are going to break 879 and 894 sometimes tomorrow or for the rest of the week, because we want to reach at least 940. And then after 940, this is going to be another kettle of fish, and we can deal with that at that point in time. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can also click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.